van. So it's 5:45 a.m. We are in the Northern Blossoms. Hindi ko kaya. Hanap tayo ng gloves.
Si Ken now.
Yan pala yung pinipila. Sakit. Cool po.
Ay, wow. Layo pinanggalingan.
Opo.
Sa Bicol.
Camarines Sur po. Kayo po, taga saan?
Pangasinan lang kayo.
Thank you po. Ticket na tayo. Let's go. Wow! Okay, tingnan nyo. Wow! Oh my God! Saan yung mga kuya?
Good morning po, mabuhay po. Welcome po sa Northern Blossom. Bali, one way lang po tayo. Dito yung entrance po natin, tapos yung seat sa kabila na po mamaya. Kaya bawat spot po is picture na bago po bumaba. Sa gitna naman natin yung CR, pahingahan, and bilihan po ng bottled water. May nagme-maintenance ng gamot po sa inyo. Meron po, pakidala po yung gamot, pang safety lang. Kasi 2.5 hectares din yung niyo po. Sa loob po, may mga kasama kaming naka-station, nakadamit sila ng ganito, pwede kayo mag-passes ng picture. O kaya pag nahihilo po kayo, sila pa yung lapitan nyo po. Yung ticket nyo naman, may nakalagay pong entrance and coffee stop. Yung entrance po, kunin ko ngayon, yung coffee stop sa pa-exit po yan. Pang-claim nyo po ng only coffee and limited bread. Tapos laki time limit sa loob, kaya enjoy po and thank you.
Madilim ba? Hindi pa sila kita. Layuan pa natin.
Sorry pa mag-coffee, please na sigo. Yung tray, pakibalik niyo yung tubig. Pasaran po namin kung siya sa labas sa merit side. Only coffee, same cup ng tomatoes. Sugar na nila po sa paper. Enjoy your coffee po.
What we do here is go back.
mo na yan. Game na. Gusto ko rin yung
Hindi nga. Depende naman sa sa part ng body kung saan mapapalagay. Tulog nga ako niyan. Ang dami.
Talaga?
Ay, sorry po.
The Miss Universe 2025. Again mo.
Ang mga pinaapakan nyo ha, kasi may mga maliliit na bundok na nakakapilay pag naapakan.
Ay!
Yung maliliit na bundok.
Tayo, sis.
Everywhere I go, I stroll around and to the side. Ever so often, I might fall over to the left and to the right. I never could hold on, no matter how hard I try. Stumble, tumble, fumble. Maybe next week, and maybe next month. Now I know I'm no Picasso, but I feel like a blue soul.
Yung company, videoan ko yung company mo ah. Mga supportive company.
Sun comes up and rises high. So hot it's gonna make me cry. Oh Lord, oh Lord.
Balik siya dito ng year 2000 to teach. Okay. Two thumbs in the middle, push it downwards, slowly to make a hole. Tusok. Patusok po yan, patusok. Itaas mo ng konti. Then widen. Slowly remove your hands. Ito naman, gigil na gigil.
Sorry. Climbing lang kasi. Malakas pang grip.
Then, nakahanap ka na ube mo? Yes. Magkano? Ano lang kayo? Magkano kaya? Ate, magkano po yung wine?
Kay Kuya yan.
Okay, thank you. Wine na lang. Kukunin natin yung ube mo. Ate, 130.
What?
130.
130 lang?
Hiram muna tayo ng cash. Ng signal. ata dun sa, baka masisano mo dun sa breakfast.
Ano magalit, tapos wala pa akong pera. Diba? Mas maganda na yung magalit siya, kaya ba ako? Diba?
Video natin kasi pag nadulas ako, edi isama natin sa vlog. Ipa. Two, three. Ow! Kuya, ano nga po name mo ulit?
AR po.
AR.
Yes po.
Thank you. Ganda, diba?
Video ba yan, ma'am?
Yes.
O, sige. Para mat-genge.
Gusto na ang sangkang Marlboro na pula.
Okay, ready na po. Tingin sa camera. Ready, tingin sa camera.
Ano magiging kwento ka talaga? Bait mong bata ka.
Thank you, Wonderland and
Sun comes up and rises high. It's so hot, it's gonna make me cry. Oh Lord, oh Lord. Temperature rising.
Hi, diary. I'm back home now, and I keep thinking about how I spent this trip. I usually travel solo, diba? Always DIY. But this time, I tried something different. I joined a group. Turned into the most fun I've had all year. Exactly what I needed. I think my favorite part was our last night in Sagada. We stayed up at the rooftop of the inn, just talking, maybe a couple of cans of beers. My only regret is not spending more time with them, with the locals and the team. Maybe I didn't know yet how much those moments would mean. And that's why I want to do it again. I have to do it again. So, for now, I'm closing this page, but not the story. See you on the next adventure. Bye.